The prosecution wrote that accusing the Bureau of Prisons investigator of working on behalf of the prosecutors is meritless. The mere fact that a prison official turned over material seized from a detainee's cell to prosecutors after the fact with no prior coordination regarding the seizure does not show that he acted at their behest. In fact, courts have repeatedly held that searches initiated by prison officials, even where those prison officials later turned over evidence seized from those searches to prosecutors, and such evidence was helpful to a prosecution against the defendant, do not implement the Fourth Amendment. The fact is, the BOP investigator is part of a law enforcement team that operates independently from the case team and is emphatically not a member of the prosecution team. But the defense cried foul. They said officials had taken photos of notepads that had the words legal written on them, meaning they were protected notes by attorney-client privilege. But there was some confusion about when the word legal was written on the notepad. In the end, the judge had the prosecution throw out 19 pages of material and said they couldn't use it as evidence to deny bail at an upcoming hearing. As I mentioned, Combs ended up being denied bail anyway. And as an interesting side note, the response from the defense was due on Friday, December 27th, but lead counsel Mark Agnifilo wrote to Judge Arun Subramanian saying that the MDC had told them all legal video teleconferences would be canceled between Christmas Eve and the day after Christmas. Agnifilo wanted to be able to speak with his client about the response, so asked for a small extension, which the judge granted.